In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Bitbucket password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Bitbucket account to change your password safely and confidently, plus a few tips to keep your account secure. Start by opening your browser and heading to bitbucket.org. If you're not already signed in, log in with your existing credentials. If you usually sign in through your organization or with a third-party provider like Google or Microsoft, note that your password might be managed by your company or that provider. In that case, the password fields in Bitbucket may be limited or unavailable, and you'd handle changes through your organization's system or the provider's account settings. If you can't remember your current password, use the Forgot Password link on the sign-in page to regain access before proceeding. Once you're signed in, look to the top right of the page for your profile icon, sometimes shown as your avatar or initials. Click it to open your account menu. From there, choose Account Settings. This is your central hub for personal details and security preferences. Inside Account Settings, find and open the Security section. This page is dedicated to protecting your account. You'll see options related to passwords and, depending on your setup, additional features like two-step verification. For now, stay focused on updating the password. In the password area, start by entering your current password. This step confirms that it's really you making the change and helps prevent unauthorized updates. If this field isn't available because your account uses single sign-on, that's a sign your password is controlled elsewhere, so check with your admin or your identity provider. Next, type your new password. Choose something strong and unique, ideally at least 12 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using a password you've used on another site, and consider a reputable password manager to generate and store it securely. If Bitbucket displays any password requirements or strength indicators, use them as a guide to make your new password harder to guess. When you're happy with the new password and both fields match, select Save Changes. Bitbucket will process the update and may show a confirmation you might be asked to sign in again, which is normal and helps verify the change. If you use GET over HTTPS the next time you pull or push, your Git client may prompt for your updated password or credentials. Just enter the new one so it's cached correctly. That's it. You've updated your Bitbucket password and strengthened your account security. Thanks for watching, and keep your credentials safe.